Hey everybody, just riding my bike, see? Riding my bike through the neighborhood. Well, I'm actually going to Braedon's house, but I'm just on my way there. Thought I'd make a video, because it's nothing. So, yeah. What else is there? Oh yeah, Josie made a video for me, so here's a report. Thank you so much. I like it a lot, and yeah, Josie, Riley's girlfriend. It's pretty cool. What did I say? Well, she works at cinnamon bun place. I don't know, some cinnamon bun place. I think it's pretty cool because if I worked there, I'd eat them all up and I wouldn't sell any, and then I'd get fired. But anyways, Josie's the best. Peace out.